wanted clarification of the notification which has come from the Panchayat regarding the entry, who requires the permission.
Yeah. See, basically, there is no notification as such. There is a resolution adopted by the Panchayat. See, what happened is that there was a lot of issue in Kalangod. Now, all the stacks persons who comes in tracks, buses, right? They come, they loiter around at night. They go to different restaurants. They term them as a, what you can say, they term them as a dance bar or a club, right? There they go, and then they make a lot of issue. They were beaten up, their money is taken, and then they blame the Panchayat or the authorities in power. Second point, when they come, see, the whole issue is that, first of all, I want to bring to your kind notice that we have taken a resolution as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act. And as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act, we can't impose this. We have to ask the higher authorities to give us the permission. So that is why we have written this to the collector of North Goa. Then we have written to the Commissioner of Police, the Department of Home. That is the main important thing. Department of Home and the Director of Tourism, because tourism is directly involved in this village. So based on this, if I get these NOCs, then I will be implementing this order. If not, then I can't do it. Why we went in this details is that when some of our colleagues, when you or I, when we go to Mahabaleshwar, there are different taxes. Now here there is a road tax, road passenger tax, right? And then there are what's that? Pollution tax. Pollution tax is there. Another tax is that cess tax, cess sanitary. That tax is there. All these taxes, and then the Panchayat, Gram Panchayat Kshetra Mahabaleshwar, they also impose taxes. Now, if all these taxes are there in that particular village, or in that, because we are also part of India. Now, if it is so, then we have to clean our village. People come with all these buses and those tracks. They loiter, they go on the beach, sleep on the beach. The next day they use the toilet, the public toilet. The next day they get up and then they go off. In the meantime, the night what they have done, we don't know. They get beatings, they drink, they do all this nonsense. That is why we have put this in place. That let us put something in the place. See, when we are implementing this, lot of retaliation will be there. Like people are misguided, asking that all the if you have a reservation in the hotel, you can come in Kalangod. No, if you and I, we are a family like, we come in Kalangod. Can I ask you a reservation? Why we have done this is that because all these boys come, all these big buses come, they come stacks. They go to different places. They loiter around. They make garbage, sanitary issue, cooking the food on the street, right? Having the food. They sleep in the buses, sleep in the track, and then they go off. And what we are over here is the garbage dump. It is not that the Panchayat wants to make money. Panchayat doesn't want a single pie from them. We want cleanliness in our village. That's why we have implemented this. Because we have taken a lot of this thing was there in the Panchayat. Members, we discussed a lot of things.